J'espère que vous allez très bien aujourd'hui. Le voilà, on va parler du superlatif aujourd'hui. Tout le monde aime bien le superlatif. Everyone loves a superlative. Everyone loves to speak in the superlative. Always like, the best, the worst, the most, the tallest, the shortest. So, anyway, let's get started with it. Qu'est-ce que c'est? It's very easy. You're going to love it. It's just, like I said, to express something that's the biggest, the best, the smartest, the worst, the dumbest, whatever it is, okay? And it is very simple in French. I always tell my students, all you need to remember is le bloc, the block. Okay, c'est quoi le bloc? It is le and the word plus or the word moi and then the adjective, okay? So, il est l'homme le plus intelligent. Okay, you have le and the word plus and the adjective. That's the block. All right, you want to be more specific? L'homme est le plus intelligent dans la classe. Maybe he's not the most intelligent in the world, he's just the most intelligent in the class. Elle est la femme la moins sportive. Elle est la femme la moins sportive. We have la, it could be le or la, by the way, then moi, and your adjective. Elle est la femme la moins sportive dans la classe. Okay, obviously the le la can change depending on if something's masculine or feminine, just like the adjective can change. Okay, and that's, pertains to that little asterisk there. So bangs, this is the only thing we have to watch out for. It doesn't change the block. The block stays the same. It's always going to be le or la, and then plus ou moins, and your adjective. Okay, but what is bangs? Not all adjectives go after the noun. 99% of them do, but then you have some that go in front of the noun. Some adjectives go before, and we have bangs. I think you also have something else. There's something else that you can go by as well. But beauty, age, number, goodness, and size, these typically tend to be the ones that we focus on. Beau or belle, jolie, moche, laid for whatever reason. Don't. It's just beauty, not ugliness. Age, vieux, vieille, nouveau, nouvelle, numbers 1 through whatever. And goodness, bon, mauvais, and size, grand and petit. All right, so these are going to go in front of your noun. All the other ones are going to go in the back. Does not change the block at all. So let's take a look. The moving block, okay? So you have, elle est la plus vieille femme, okay? Elle est la plus vieille femme. So vieille goes in front of the noun, therefore the block goes in front of the noun. But elle est la femme la plus rapide. Rapide is not one of those bangs adjectives, so it all goes after the noun. So the block just moves around, that's all. Okay, now you'll notice, of course, that la, there is la femme, so you keep that. Okay, la femme doesn't drop the la there. All right, but that's it. I mean, the block just moves. If it's a bangs adjective, it goes before. If it's not, it goes after. All right, so here's another example. Nous sommes les plus grands gens. Nous sommes les gens les plus tranquilles. All right, so the double article is there. You have to have it. It's absolutely necessary. No way of getting around it, okay? So, because you always have to have an article in front of the noun. So, all right. Remember that bon becomes le meilleur. Good becomes the best. Le meilleur is the best. La meilleure is the best in feminine form. Elle est la meilleure de toute sa famille, par exemple. Il est le meilleur tireur au tir de champ. He's the best shot, best shooter. Mauvais becomes le pire. Okay, the worst. You cannot have le plus pire. You cannot have le plus meilleur, because you can't be the the better best, or le pire, the most worst. You can't have that. You can only have the best and the worst. So that's it. You don't have to have plus or anything. Ils sont les pires dans la classe, par exemple. Bien becomes le mieux. because adverbs take on something different. Okay, so he runs the best, for example. Il court le mieux. And Carl Lewis court le mieux de tout le monde. De tout le monde. Mal becomes le pire, the worst, so it's exactly the same. So it's just meilleur and mieux that change. Je cours le pire de mon équipe. Okay? Let's take a practice here. Pratiquons. Where are we going to put this block? C'est la voiture, and then we have la plus rapide. So I put the block together for you. All right, let's take a look. C'est la voiture la plus rapide. So you leave it in the back. Ce sont les hommes les plus grands. Where does this block go? All right. Ce sont les plus grands hommes. Because grand is size. C'est la femme. And we have la plus intelligente. And think about that, where the block goes. C'est la femme la plus intelligente. Because intelligente does not go before the noun. Ce sont les chiens les plus petits. Before or after the noun? Ce sont les plus petits chiens. C'est la dame. And we have belle. Beautiful. Okay, ready? C'est la plus belle dame. Ce sont les animaux. Long. Long is slowly. I guess on this side I'm making you put the most in there. I guess it's because in French, just like English, you have the most more than anything else. So, ce sont les animaux. Ce sont les animaux les plus longs. C'est l'homme. And we have méchant. Think. 1, 2, 3. C'est l'homme le plus méchant. Last one. Ce sont les bateaux vieux. Think. 1, 2 et 3. Ce sont les plus vieux bateaux. All right, hope this helps. Looking forward to your questions. Au revoir.